As most of you already know, you're currently watching AI Rush Minutes. On this channel, I share completely free and highly detailed master prompts for creating both short-form and long-form videos. Everything we do here uses only free AI tools, so you don't need any paid software at all. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create micro-camera-style animal and insect videos using only free AI tools. For this tutorial, I'm giving you a complete master prompt. You'll find the link in the comment section. This master prompt is universal. With just this one prompt, you can generate videos of many different insects and small animals. Make sure you copy the entire prompt carefully before moving forward. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT. Don't worry, we're using the free version here, not the paid one. After pasting the master prompt into ChatGPT, it will automatically create a list of 15 different insects or small animals. You can choose any one from the list. If you want to create a video about something that isn't listed, like ants for example, you can simply type the name directly and it will still work perfectly. For this demonstration, let's say we want to create a termite video. If termite appears as number 1 in the list, you just type 1 and press send. If you prefer another insect or animal, you can simply type its name instead. As soon as you send the message, ChatGPT will generate 1 image prompt and 5 motion prompts. The image prompt will be used to create the starting image, and the motion prompts will be used later to animate the video. First, we'll generate the image, and after that, we'll use the motion prompts to build the video. For both image and video generation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. To generate the image, go to the Grok Imagine section. Copy the full image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the Type to Imagine box, and click Generate. After a few seconds, Grok will produce an ultra-high detail image. Choose the one you like the most. To animate it, click the Edit icon and select the Make Image Move option. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first motion prompt. Paste it into the box, keep the aspect ratio set to 9:16, and click Generate again. This will produce your first video clip. If you're happy with the result, you can continue. If not, you can regenerate it again without worrying about limits. Once you get a clip you like, upscale it. After the upscaling is finished, click the Extend from Frame option. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it into the box, and generate again. This will extend the video smoothly while keeping the quality high. Repeat the same steps for all the remaining motion prompts. Each time, upscale the clip, extend it from the last frame, paste the next prompt, and generate again. After you finish all the prompts, your final video will be ready. Just upscale the final version and download it to your device. I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.